Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all well. Welcome to web design tips and tricks. Today I am going to show you how to add FontAwesome icon in your web design project. At first I wanna say subscribe my channel, for that you will get this kind of useful videos regularly. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. At first, create a project. Here you can see I have created a project. In this project I have created a HTML file and a CSS file. Now open the project in a text editor. Now create a clean HTML5 structure. Give your project a nice title. Now open a browser. I am using Firefox. Now open Google search and type FontAwesome 4.7 CTN. Now right click on this W3 school link and open it in new tab. Now scroll down and select and copy this link tag from here. Now come back to the text editor and paste the link below the title tag. Now again come back to the browser and in Google search bar type FontAwesome 4.7 icons. From search result, now click on this first link. This is the main website of FontAwesome icon. Here you can see they have many beautiful icons. For demo I am choosing this diamond icon. Now copy this code from here and paste it in the HTML file. For display the icon, I am creating a heading tag and pasting the icon code inside this. Now save the HTML file and open this HTML file in a web browser. I am using Firefox. Voila! We have successfully added a FontAwesome icon in our web design project. Was that so easy? So, thanks for watching. If you learned something from our tutorial, then hit the like button, comment down below your question or opinion, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. See ya in the next video.